All right, today we are doing a temporary fix for a washed out driveway and culvert. This has gotten overrun. There's construction. You can see all that sediment washing right now. But what we're going to do right now, this is hollowed out, and you see it's hollowed out quite a bit with the big storm. It overflowed the banks of this and went around and then just washed this out. We're going to score this. Then we're going to take the excavator, clean it out, knock down all the loose stuff into the hole, and then we're going to bring in riprap and stabilize this and build this up until we can get our head walls in later in a few weeks. So now we're just going to cut inside of this line. This will just act as a score mark, so it's just not going to take chunks out this direction. We went around, we traced all the way to where we wound up getting where it was sunken in, and we collapsed it with the excavator. So it's going to stabilize, and the riprap will stabilize even further, hold it so that if we get another torrential downpour, which we're expecting with the hurricane or tropical storm, it'll hold up. So we have this passage shored up. The riprap is completely packed in here. It's as flat as we really can get it. It's jagged stone. So what we're going to do is we're going to put some protection mats over it for heavy machinery so they can drive over it without tearing up their tires until we get everything else back in. This extra riprap is going to be here for when we need it for the main project. We're all done with the temporary fix. Machine's loaded up. We're heading out.